Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next session. So this is the fourth session in SQL queries guys, and already I have made 3 videos. So if you have not seen those videos, then you can check the playlist. Okay, so in first session we have solved 10 questions, after that we have solved again 10 questions, and in third part we have solved around 15 questions. So this is the fourth session guys, and in this session we are solving 20 questions. Okay, so the difficulty level for these questions is higher as compared to the previous. Okay, so if you have not seen those videos, then I recommend you to see those videos guys, because they are the basics and this is the kind of advanced questions. Okay, so if you watch all these questions, then I'm pretty sure, okay, so you will be solving any query in any technical interviews. Okay, so that's it guys, just an introduction. Now let us start our session. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and like the video. Okay, so before we start solving our questions, I just want to show you something. Okay, so if you want to check whether that how many tables are present in your system, then you can just use this command. So the viewers who are seeing this video for first time, for them I'm just showing the table which I have created in this system. Okay, so you just type guys select, okay, select star from tab. So if you write like this, then it will display all the tables which are present in your system. So there are 4 tables in my system: department table, employee table, bonus table, and salary grade table. Out of these 4 tables, I will be performing all my operations on department table and employee table. So I will just display the fields or columns which are present in department table, so that whenever I am writing the queries, you won't get confused and you will be knowing like, yes, particular column is present in my department table and it is named like this. So what I can do is I will write something like this: select star from EMP. So first I will display the employee table guys. So these are the particulars which are present in employee table. We have got around 2, 4, 6, 8 columns here. First column is employee number, second is employee name, third is job, and MGR is fourth, hire date, after that salary, commission, and department number. So these are the particulars which are present in the employee table. Okay, so just remember these column name guys: employee number, so employee ID and employee number are same, employee name is written as ename here, designation of the employees is written as job here, MGR is written as MGR itself, after that hire date is hire date itself, after that salary is written as sal, and commission is defined it as com, and department number is defined as DEPT number. Okay, so these are the columns which are present in employee table. Now let us see what are the columns present in department table. So I can write select star from DEPT. Okay, so this is a table name, that is department table. So in department table we have got 3 columns. First one is department number, after that department name, and after that LOC, that is location. So these are the particulars which are present in the department table. Okay, so once you know this, now we can start solving our queries. So I will clear the screen guys, just write clear SCR. It will clear all the clear the screen, but it will be present in buffer. So whenever you execute, it will be showing results very quickly. Okay, so there is one more option, shift delete. If you do that one, then the buffer will be deleted. So don't do that one, just clear screen, it will be enough for us. Okay, alright guys, so let us move ahead and try to solve the first question. So first question is guys, write a query to display details of the employees working as clerk and earning less than 1500. So I want to display details. Details means all the details. I have to use star here. Details of employees working as clerk and earning less than 1500. So their job should be clerk and their salary should be less than 1500. So how I can write this one? So write select star, because I want all details, and from which table? From EMP table I have to select, and there is condition which I will be writing with the help of where statement. So where, okay, so 2 conditions are there. Working as clerk, that means job is clerk, so job equal to, in single quotes I have to write clerk, CLERK, clerk. Okay, so after that another condition is there, so that's why I will use AND operator, and earning less than 1500. So earning less than means salary should be less than 1500 and terminate it with the help of semicolon. So here I have selected the I am selecting all the details from which table, employee table, when these two conditions are satisfying. So note that whenever a AND condition is there, if both the conditions are satisfying, then only it will give output. Okay, so job is equal to clerk and salary is less than 1500. So if I hit enter, then you can see this is the result, guys. So for all these candidates, the salary is less than 1500 and job is mentioned as clerk. Only clerk jobs are present. I mean the persons with clerk job are displayed over here. So this is the answer for first query, guys. Got it? Yes. So if you have got any doubt, you can just comment it out, guys. We'll take a look at that one as well. So in later sessions. Okay. Second question, write a query to display name and hire date of the employees working as manager in department number 13. So I need to display name and hire date of employees. Okay, so first thing is I need to display name and hire date. So like this only you have to write. First select employee name, comma, hire date. So write spellings correctly, guys. E name, comma, hire date, and I have to select it from employee table and where. So just write up to this, and after that read the conditions. So hire date of the employees working as manager in department number 13. So job should be manager. So job equal to manager. Okay, so and department number, DEPT number equal to 30, and just terminate that one. So working as manager and in department number 13. So if I hit enter, then you can see Blake is the person who is working as a manager and he is present in department number 30. Okay, so you can cross check it with the help of what, guys, just you can if I write select star from EMP. Okay, so if I write like this, then you can see in department 30 Blake, where is Blake? Blake, search for Blake, guys. Okay, so here you can see 7698 Blake is there and his job is manager and is working in department number 30. Okay, so I'm talking about this one, just show you. Okay, all right. Okay, so where is Blake? Here it is. Yes, I was talking about this one, guys. So you can see above this line 7698 Blake manager and working as working over here. Got it? So this is it, guys. The output is correct. So from this we'll come to know. Okay, so just I'm cross checking. That's it, guys. Alright, so next question. The next one is write a query to display details of the employee along with annual salary if they are working in department number 30 as salesman and their annual salary has to be greater than 1400. So sorry, 14,000, right? So here whenever there is a word along with, okay, so whenever there is a along with, then we have to use emp dot star format here. So the along with indicates that we need to display all the details which are present in the table. With that, one additional column has to be attached here. So in order to display one additional column, we have to use emp dot star, or else I can say table dot star format. So how we will be writing for this one, just carefully observe, guys. Okay, so I want to display all the details. So whenever it says detail, that means all the details which are present in the table. So all columns I have to first display. Along with that, I have to display annual salary. So first what I will do, first I will just clear the screen, guys. Clear SCR. Okay, so I will write select, so emp dot star. So emp dot star means it will display all the details. So along with all the details, what I want is annual salary. Okay, so sal into 12 gives me annual salary, and with the help of alias I will be writing as annual salary. So I'm getting annual salary over here. Okay, so this is it, guys. So I'm displaying all the details, and along with that annual salary is being displayed if they are working in department number 30. Okay, so now I have to write from emp where. Okay, so now conditions are if they are working in department number 30. Okay, so first condition is department number should be equal to 30. Okay, after that department 30 as salesman and their annual salary has to be greater than 14,000 and job should be equal to salesman. So job is equal to, in single quotes I will write SALESMAN, so salesman. Okay, so after that another condition is there, annual salary has to be greater than 14,000 and I will write and sal into 12, that is annual salary should be greater than 14,000. Okay, so this is 14,000 and I'll just terminate the query and hit enter. So if I hit enter, then you can see I'm getting the output, guys. So for all these employees, you can see they are working as salesman and they are present in department number 30 and their salary is greater than 14,000. So like this you can write query carefully. Okay, so whenever so here employee number is being displayed, employee name is their job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. So up to department number is my original table. Okay, so after that I am displaying this additional column with the help of this dot star format, guys. Okay, so when this I explained in my theory classes. Okay, so I hope you got it. Otherwise you can see my theory videos, guys. They are also present in the same playlist. Just check it out. Got it? Yes. Okay, guys, so third question is over. Now let us move ahead and try to solve the fourth one. Write a query to display all the details of the employee working in department 30 or as analyst. So either they should be working in department 30 or they should be working as analyst. Okay, so what I can do is if they are asking for all the details, then I can simply write select star from EMP where, okay, so now I will write conditions where department number 30, department number should be equal to 30, so I will write DEPT number equal to 30, or either they should be in department number 30 or as analyst, or their job should be equal to, in single quotes I have to write analyst. Okay, so in single quotes I will write analyst and hit enter. So you can see here all the persons with either department number 30 or as a working as analyst will be displayed. Okay, so you can see here department number 30 and here analyst, salesman, all those things are there. Got it? So this is it, guys. Oh, okay, next question, the fourth is over now. Okay, so fifth question, write a query to display names of the employees whose salary is less than 1100 and their designation is clerk. So I want to display names, so it will be simple, guys. SELECT select E name, okay, from EMP where conditions are, okay, so condition is whose salary is less than 1100, so salary should be less than 1100 and next condition says designation is clerk, so job is equal to clerk. So this is it, guys. If I hit enter, you can see Smith and James are the two employees whose salary is less than 1100 and their job is clerk. So now I will clear the screen. Okay, so we'll move ahead and try to solve the sixth one. Write a query to display name and salary, comma, annual salary and department number. If department number is 20, earning more than 1100 and annual salary exceeds 12,000. Okay, so these kind of questions are kind of tricky, guys, and you need to divide this question in two parts. First you need to identify the things which should be displayed. Okay, so there are 3 or 4 things. First one is name, so I need to display the name, employee name. After that I need to display salary, after that annual salary, and after that I need to display department number. So first I will write the select statement here. So select, first one is employee name, after that second one is salary, so salary, after that third one is annual salary, so sal star 12. Okay, so this is annual salary. Okay, so after that another one is department number, So DEPT number. So these are the 4 things which I want to display. Just write down in a line. After that, select the table. So from EMP table, I have to fetch these things. Then write the conditions with the help of where statement. Okay, so up to this you have to write in one step. After that, second step is identify the conditions now. So if department number is 20, the first condition says that DEPT number should be equal to 20. Alright, department number is equal to 20 and earning more than 1100. So I have to write and salary should be greater than 1100. Okay, that is also written. Okay, and last condition, annual salary exceeds 12,000. After that I need to write and salary into 12. If I do, it will be annual salary and it has to exceed 12,000. So this is 12,000 guys, and I will terminate the query now. Okay, so see, I have written it in 3 lines. First line is for displaying all the elements. I need to display employee name, employee salary and annual salary, which is aliased as annual salary, and after that department number. Okay, so department number is there. So this is just, I don't want to display salary into 12, which is basically annual salary. So with the help of alias statements, if I write in double quotes, then instead of salary into 12, it will be displaying annual salary. Got it? So after that, department number from EMP table I have to select, and where department number is equal to 20 and salary should be greater than 1100 and salary, annual salary should be greater than 12,000. So if I hit enter, you can see guys, Jones, Scott and Ford are the employees who are satisfying all these conditions. Yes, so like this you have to break down a big problem into small 2 pieces or even 3 pieces, and you have to write the query carefully. Got it? Yes. Okay guys, so 6th question is also done. Now let us move ahead and try to solve the 7th one. Write a query to display employee number and names of employees working as manager in department number 20. So this is also same guys, I need to display employee number and names of the employees. Okay, so I will write select employee name, comma, select employee name and employee number. So EMP number. So there is no need, like first I will write EMP number, after that E name guys. So employee number and employee name. I will be selecting these things from the EMP table where conditions are. Okay, so the condition says okay, so 7th one I'll just, okay, so put it like this, otherwise it will be confusing for me. So where employees, okay, employee number and names of the employees working as manager. So job should be equal to manager, job is equal to manager, and another condition says that department number should be equal to 20. So department number equal to 20 and I will hit enter. So Jones is the employee who is satisfying these conditions. Yes. Alright guys, so 8th question, write a query to display details of the employees working in department 20 or 30. So here it is simple guys, select star, that means all details from EMP table where, okay, so where department number should be 20 or 30. So DEPT number should be DEPT number should be equal to 20 or DEPT number should be equal to 30. So these are the 2 conditions, and if I hit enter, then you can see I'm getting this whole table guys. Okay, so this is one of the way how we can write this query, but there is another easy method guys where you can write it in a few, you can use few number of lines guys. So how I can write the same query, whatever I written, select star from EMP where department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30. So same query can be written in another way. I'll just demonstrate over here. Okay, so I will write select star from EMP, select star from EMP where, okay, so DEPT number, I will use in operator here. So this is the in operator, and in bracket I can mention the department numbers 20, 30. So with this basically says that So in means or, indirectly in is saying that department number, if it is satisfying any of these conditions, either the department number should be equal to 20 or department number should be equal to 30, then display the details. So if I hit enter, then you can see the same list or same table has been displayed for this one also. So this indicates that you can write query either like this or like this, but one thing is there, guys. In actual coding or in actual database management, we will not be writing the query like this. So to avoid these things, like we have to write department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30, so it is wastage of we need to type lot of things and it will make the query more complicated. So in order to make it easier, it is designed, SQL is designed with the help of this one. So they have given this in operator. So another operator is there, which is not in. So it is opposite to in. It is basically excluding the things which are written inside this bracket. So it will include, if I am writing in, that means it includes the things which are written inside this brackets, and if I have written not in, then it will exclude the things which are written inside the brackets. Got it, guys? Yes. Alright. So I will write clear SCR once again and I will clear the screen. Okay, so I think we have solved which one? 8th one. Okay, 9th one, guys. Now write a query to display details of employees working as analyst in department number 10. So I want to display details, that means select star from EMP, where working as analyst, that means job should be equal to an analyst. Okay, so job should be equal to analyst, and after that department number is 10, and I will write DEPT number equal to 10. So this is it, guys, and it is saying that no row selected. Don't worry, it is not a wrong output, guys, because there is no one in department number 10 who is working as analyst. You can cross check by displaying the table. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it is right answer. Okay, so there is no rule that every query should give some output. If it is not existing in table, then how it can give the output? So just ignore that one. So few queries I have written like that only. So the questions will not give any output, and you should be confident that yes, I have written correctly, and you have to cross check it with the help of table. Got it, guys? 9th question is solved now. Okay, so 10th one, write a query to display details of employees working as president with salary of rupees 4,000. So I need to display the details of employees working as president. So I will write select star from EMP where job is equal to president and salary of rupees 4,000. So salary is equal to 4,000. So this is it, guys. Okay, so select star from EMP and okay, so you can see there is only one guy who is working as president. Where it is, I'll display over here. Okay, so this is also right, guys. I'll just cross check this one so that you can understand. Alright, so there is only one guy who is working as president in our table, and he is okay, one second, I'll display here. Okay, so this is the guy who is working as president. Okay, so the name of the employee is King, and he is working as president, and I think there is no one whose job is president. Okay, so downside there is no one, and on upper side also there is no one. Okay, so yes, no one, and here you can see no row selected is the output. That means no one is satisfying this particular condition where job should be equal to president. So first condition is the King is satisfying first condition, but whenever it comes to second condition, salary should be equal to 4,000, but his salary is 5,000 here, so it is not satisfying the second condition. So that's why the output will be false, and from whole table no one will be selected. So no row selected is the correct answer for this query, guys. Okay, so that I mean, you should be remembering, or you should remember this table, or you can just note it down on a pen and paper whenever you are writing the queries. Got it, guys? Yes. Okay, so 10th question we have solved, and also I have cross-checked with the help of employee table. I hope all your doubts have been solved there. Okay, so 11th question, write a query to display names and department number, comma, job of employees working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. See here, guys, I want to display employee name, department number and job. So what I will write is, so first I will write clear screen and select employee name, e name. After that select e name, after that department number, DEPT number. After that I want to select, or I want to display job, so I will give it as job, and from EMP I have to select, and there are where condition which says working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. So job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and working in department 10 or 20. So for if you are writing like department 10 or 20, then what you can do, guys, you have to use bracket here, because DEPT number equal to 10 or 20. So DEPT number equal to 20. So if you don't write like this, then you will be getting you will not be getting output, and that case also I will be showing, but just you just see output for now. Okay, so this is the output, guys, and these are the 3 employees who are satisfying the above conditions. Okay, so what if I don't use brackets here? What will be happening? I'll just show you. I will write the same query, select e name, comma, DEPT number, comma, job, from EMP, where condition says that job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and I will not write brackets DEPT number equal to 10 or DEPT number equal to 20, and if I terminate this one and hit enter, then I will be getting different output. So here you can see the first output is different and the second output is different, though it seems, or it's it says like both the queries are same, but they are not same, guys. Basically, because of this brackets, the first condition or the first query is correct and the second query is wrong. So what is happening over here is, guys, basically what the SQL does is, whenever it says whenever it sees and, it will take 2 operators, that is the first one on the left hand side and second one on the right hand side, and it will group them together. Okay, so it will make group of these 2. Okay, so I have to use a marker here, guys, then only you can understand. Okay, so what it does is, basically first it will make one condition of this one. Okay, so first it will make one condition, basically and is there, left hand side it will take one field and right hand side it will take one field. So what it will do, it will check for the condition where job is equal to clerk and department number 10. So you can see here department number 10 and job is clerk, so it has been selected here. After that it will do, after else or means department number 20. So after that all the things are having department number 20, because it is one of the it thinks that it is one of the condition which need to be satisfied. Okay, so that's why we'll be getting wrong output, because it is considering this as the first argument and this as the second argument. But in actual, what we are writing is basically, so and is one condition, so this whole thing is one condition and this is another condition. So in order to differentiate, we need to put one bracket here, guys. So if we put one bracket over here and over here, then it will take it as the first condition and it will take it as the second condition. So the same thing I have done, I have put a bracket over here and bracket over here. So the whole thing which is inside this brackets will be considered as one thing or one criteria, and after that this thing which is separately written, it will be taken as another criteria. So whenever the variable is same, here also department number, here also department number, then you should include these two things in parenthesis or in brackets, then only you will be getting proper output. Because here we are having and as well as or operator. If there are only or operators or if there are only and operators, then is no problem. If there is a mix of and or operators, then you have to use brackets here for the fields which are having same variable. Like in this one, department number and department number are the same variables or same criteria, so I need to use brackets over here. So that's why I have written two queries, guys. First one is right and the second one is wrong. So normally people go for second one, but please, after seeing this video, don't go for the second one. Make sure that you put a brackets for these things. Got it, guys? Yes. I will write clear SCR again and clear the screen. Okay, so I don't know which one we have solved. I think 11th one we have solved, guys. Got it? Okay, so the next question is 12th one. Write a query to display details of employees working as clerk or manager in department 10. So they are asking for details again. Then I can write select star from EMP where condition says that working as clerk or manager. So one way how we can write is job in clerk. So ELERK clerk, job in clerk or job equal to manager. After that another condition says that department 10, so DEPT number equal to 10. So this is one of the way, guys, how we can write, and this is the output. Alright, so we, instead of writing job equal to manager and job equal to clerk and job equal to manager, what I can use is in operator. Okay, so in operator I will be using. So with the help of in operator, how I can write select star from EMP where job, and instead of these things I will use in here, job in and open bracket. After that in single quotes I have to write clerk, close the single quote, write a comma, and after that another field is manager, MANAGER, close the single quotes, close the bracket. Okay, so this is one of the condition. After that second condition is DEPT number. For this also I can use in, guys, DEPT number in 10. If I write like this, then also it will give me a proper output. Department number, so job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, and department number equal to 10. Okay, so department number equal to 20, 30. Okay, one second, guys, I will just cross check this one. Select star from EMP where job in single quotes I will write clerk, job in clerk, comma, manager. Okay, I will close this one, and DEPT number equal to 10. Alright, guys, so basically the first thing which were displayed over here, that is select star from EMP where job equal to clerk or job equal to manager and department number equal to 10. This is actually the wrong output, guys. Okay, so we have not noticed this one. You can see here, and department number should be equal to 10, but here you can see department number 20 is also displaying, department number 30 is also displaying. That is because of the bracket, guys, which just now I have explained, but I forgot to write those things, guys. So this is the correct output. Okay, so I can write like this, and the same output I will be getting if I write the first query, that is this one, in this form: SELECT select star from EMP where, and in bracket I have to write job equal to, first thing is clerk. Okay, so job equal to clerk or job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, job equal to manager, and I have to close this one. After that, and DEPT number equal to 10. So if I write like this, then I'm pretty sure that I'll be getting the same output as that of the previous year. So this is the correct output, guys. The first way is I can use this bracket and I can write like this. The second way is I can either use these conditions, like in where job in clerk comma manager, that means job in either clerk or a manager, and department number in 10 I can use, or department number equal to 10 I can use. So there are a lot of methods which are present, guys. Whenever whichever you think is easy to remember or easy to write, then you can choose that one, but learn all those things, guys. Okay, so sorry, I have written this one wrongly. Okay, so this I have to use brackets, this job and job repeating here, right? So I need to use brackets, I have not used, so that's why I have got wrong output. And I don't know why I have not noticed that one already. Sorry for that one. Clear screen. Okay, so I have cleared the screen now. All right, so 13th question, guys. Write a query to display names of employees working in department 10 comma 20 comma 30. Before that, I just want to make sure that it is recording. Yes, guys, it is recording. So write a query to display names of employees working in department 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So comma means or, guys. Most of the guys will be thinking like it is and. No, it's not and, because one particular person can't work in all these departments. Okay, so either you can become a software developer, or you can become a front-end developer, or you can become a Java developer, or a Python developer, or a SQL developer, but you can't do all those things at a time. Okay, so I can't say that you'll not be able to do, but at different times you have to do different things. Okay, so one person can't be an employee, he can't be a CEO, he can't be a president. Only one position he can hold. In the same way, the employee will be working only in one department, not in all departments. Okay, so that's why this basically means that display names of the employees who are working in either department 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. So it is pretty simple, guys. I need to select employee name, so e name from emp table I have to take, and here I'm having where condition. Okay, so where condition says that working in department 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. So dept number, so this first the first method I will be showing, guys, and here there is no need to use brackets because I will be using only or condition, but for good practice I can use brackets, guys, where dept number equal to 10. Okay, so dept number equal to 10, after that or dept number equal to 20, or dept number equal to 30, or dept number equal to 40, and close the bracket, close the query. So if I write like this, then you can see so all those conditions I have taken 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, I hit enter, and you can see these are the employees who are satisfying the above condition. So it is kind of lengthy, guys. I am repeating department number. So in order to remove this one or overcome this one, I can use in operator. So I will write select e name from emp where dept number in 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, and I'll close the bracket and close the query. If I hit enter, you can see same output I'll be getting, 14 rows selected, and here also 14 rows selected. So this is the power of in operator, guys. Okay, so you should be using in operator whenever the condition is repeating itself. Got it, guys? Yes. So clear screen again, and next question is write a query to display, that is 14th one. Write a query to display details of employees with employee number 7902 comma 7839. So their employee number should be equal to 7902 or 7839. Okay, so I want details, so I will write select star from emp where employee number, so emp number equal to 7902 or emp number equal to another one is 7839. So 7839. So these are the two conditions. So if I hit enter, then you can see King and Ford are the two employees who are satisfying above conditions. But the same thing I can write it with the help of in operator, guys. So I will write select star from emp where condition says that emp number in either it should be 7902 and 7839. 39. So these are the two conditions. I will close the query here and hit enter. You can see same output I am getting, guys. So these are the two ways. Either you can go with the OR operation or you can go with in operator here. Okay, so this is it. Alright guys, so next 15th question, last 5 questions guys, just stick with me. So write a query to display details of employees working as manager or salesman or clerk. So here you can see it has given 3 OR conditions. Then I can use easily here OR operator, or else I can go for in operator here. So write a query to display details. So they are asking for details. I will write select star from EMP where condition says that job should be manager, salesman or clerk. So job is equal to, first one is manager, or job is equal to clerk, or job is equal to salesman. So these are the 3 conditions. I will hit enter and you can see this is the output guys. So instead of this query I can use alternatively this one also, SELECT, select star from EMP where, okay, so job in, where job in, I can write these conditions here. First one is manager, after that second one is clerk, after that third one is salesman. Terminate this one, terminate the query, hit enter, and you can see I'm getting the same output. 11 rows selected, 11 rows selected. So this is it guys, how you can write. So clear screen. Okay, so I think we are done with 15th question. And now 16th question, write a query to display names of employees hired after 81 and before 87. So this is a kind of tricky question guys, and you need to understand question properly in order to write the query. So writing query is very easy if you understand the question properly. So what I want to display is, I want to display employee name. So name of the employees who are hired after 81. So tell me one thing guys, after 81 means the year should end. Okay, so at what time the year will be ending? Any year. So after 31st December any year will be ending, right? So it is what today is 5th December. Okay, so this is the last month of 2021, and after this after 31st December 2021 year will be gone and 2020 will be starting. So after 81 means after 31st December 81. So they will be giving only year. We have to guess the, I mean we have to calculate, or we have to understand that it is after 81 means after 31st December 81. And another condition says that they should be hired before 87. So before 87 means starting of 87 should not be included. So 87, when the year 87 will be starting? On 1st Jan 87. So if I say when year 2022 will be starting, so it will be starting on 1 Jan 2022. Try to understand guys, 1 Jan 2022 is the first date of year 2022. Okay, so in same way before 87 means 1 Jan 87 will be the first date, and we have to write a condition that higher date before means higher date should be less than 1 Jan 87. Okay, so I hope you got this one. You can just reverse or rewind the video and try to understand guys. Got it? Okay, so now I'll write the query, that is 16th one. Okay, so 16th one, it is pretty much simple if you understand guys. Got it? Okay, so write a query to display names. So first one is select ename from, I will write EMP. Okay, so where condition, first condition hired after 81. So hired after 81 means the date, higher date should be greater than, in single quotes I have to write the date. So hired after 81 means 31 December 81. So this is the date. After that AND operator I will be using, and next thing says that, and before 87 means higher hire date should be less than, in single quotes I will write 1 Jan 87. So this is the hire date. Got it guys? And if I hit enter, then you can see Miller is the employee who has been hired in this particular window, that is after 31st December 81 and before 1 Jan 87. So I don't know which year, like 1981 or 1681 or 1781 they have given like this, and I have to write like this only. So don't try to reduce or specify that it is 19. How we can say it is 19? It may be 1887, 1886 or 1787, 1687 maybe. So don't try to change the query, just write it as it is. How they are asking, you have to write in the same way. So they have not given complete year, means you have to write only 2 digits, then write 2 digits itself. Don't try to write on yourself. Okay, so don't try to change the question. It is meant for a purpose. Okay guys, alright. Now 17th question. Write a query to display details of employees earning more than 1250 but less than 3000. So this is also same guys. It should be in this window 1250 and 3000. They are asking for details, so I will write select star from EMP where salary should be greater than 1250, salary should be greater than 1250 and salary should be less than 3000. So salary should be less than 3000. So if I hit enter, you can see these are the employees who are satisfying the particular above condition. Got it guys? Yes. Okay, so that's about the 17th question. Now 18th question. Write a query to display names of employees hired after 81 into department 10 or 30. So hired after 81 means, so I have to take the 31st December date. So names they are asking, so I will write select ename from EMP where hire date should be greater than 31st December and year they have given as, what is the year guys, where it is 81. So year is 81. Okay, so I will close this one. And another condition is into department 10 or 20. So department 10 or 20. So DEPT number in 10 comma 20. So I can use this one. Instead of this in, I can use or as well. Okay, so this is it guys. I need to display employee names and hire date should be greater than 31st December 81 and the department number, either they should belong to department number 10 or in department number or to department number 20. So if I hit enter, you can see these are the 3 employees who are satisfying the above conditions. So Scott, Adams and Miller. Yes. Okay, so 18th question also done. Now 19th and last second question guys. Write a query to display names of employees along with annual salary for the employees working as manager or clerk into department 10 or 20. So this is also simple guys. First I need to display names of employees along with annual salary. So names and annual salary I want to display. So first I will clear the screen. So I can write select employee name. Annual salary is basically salary into total, and with alias I will write annual salary. I will close this alias. So I have closed that one, and now I have to take this information from EMP table, and where condition says that there are 2 conditions. Okay, so the first condition says that employees working as manager or clerk. So job in manager comma clerk. So job in manager comma clerk is the first condition, and second condition says that department 10 or 20. So DEPT number in 10 comma 20 is the second condition. Close the query and hit enter. So you can see the output. Okay, so these are the employees who are satisfying the above condition guys. So this is it for the 19th question. I hope you got it. So last question guys. Write a query to display all the details along with annual salary if salary is between 1000 and 4000 and annual salary should be more than 15,000. So whenever I said earlier also guys, whenever you encounter a word called along. So then you should go for star dot or dot star format, table name dot star, and another column you have to display. So what is happening here is, guys, we have to display all the details of the employees, that is all the columns which are present in employee table. Along with that, I have to display one more column which is displaying annual salary. So in order to do that one, I should go for dot star format here. Okay, so conditions we will see later, guys. First let me clear the screen so that I can write select. So I have to write the table name first, emp dot, after that star. So which this basically emp dot star says that it will be giving whole control of the table to the SQL. Okay, so here it will display all the details of the employee table. Along with that, I want to display annual salary, which is basically salary into 12, and in alias I will be writing it as annual salary. So I will close this one. Okay, so this will basically display all the columns of the employee table. Along with that, it will also display annual salary. I have to take this information from employee table and I will be writing where conditions for this one. So first condition says that salary is between 1000 and 4000. So it says that salary should be greater than 1000. Okay, so and salary should be less than 4000. So this is the first condition, guys. Okay, so the salary should be between 1000 and 4000, and second condition says that annual salary should be more than 15,000. So with this, annual salary is basically salary into 12, which should be more than 15,000. So 15,000 I have written. I'll terminate the query and I'll hit enter. So you can see these are the employees who are okay, so whose salary is between 1000 and 4000. So you can see 1600, 2975. So their annual salary should be greater than 15,000. So you can see here no one is there with salary or annual salary less than 15,000. So this says that a particular query which I have written is correct, guys. Okay, so you can just cross check if you want. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it about the 20th question. Alright, so in next session I'll be solving some more questions like this, interesting questions I will be bringing day to day, guys. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, guys, and if you have got any doubts in this queries, then you can reach out to us anytime in the comment box. We'll be giving full feedback, guys. Okay, so whatever we'll be knowing, if we are able to help you, then we'll definitely help, otherwise we'll learn from you. So we'll keep learning, guys, keep going. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.